Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a brand new knife line. This is a budget knife with great quality, with great designers. This is the new Eikonic Fairwind folding pocket knife, and this comes in blue steel. But before I continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now to be alerted about other new knives, products, everyday carry items, so on and so forth. That gives you an alert so you can watch that video. We do provide discount code specials and how-to videos as well. So the Fairwind was designed out of Brooklyn, New York. The blade is made from premium D2 steel and measures almost 2 3/4 inches. The handle is available in 3 colors and is made from G10 material. It is hand finished and it has a deep carry pocket clip. It includes ceramic ball bearings, which provides great action right out of the box. So these cost $74.99. That's going to include free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Again, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family right now. Thank you for watching.